Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to enter additional settings, then go to the languages and input, manage keyboards, then go to the Gboards settings, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. Let's select, for example, maybe Greek, then tap done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language, and as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.